So I am finally here with my dorm tour. I know y'all waited so long for this, but I am finally with the video here to show y'all what I've been working with. So we are going to just work with my iPhone camera, and once I get my camera fixed, I will update y'all with the way the room looks with good quality. But hopefully this video y'all can just see the gist of, you know, what I did to the room and everything, and I hope y'all enjoy. Alright, so, and you come into the room, and here's my bed right here. I have this picture frame right here. This is from Walmart, and I got this in the summertime, so I'm not sure if it's there still, but you can get this, like, they have these at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, all those type of places. Here is my lovely bed. I have bed risers to make it bigger, but right now it's just at the regular standard length because I do not like jumping on my bed. But this pillow right here is from Etsy. I will link most of the stuff on here below if I can find it again. A lot of my stuff I do get from Amazon, but this is my bedspread. This bedspread is from Amazon. It's very cozy, and I got it because when you come to school, it's in September, but when you know, are really in school, it's like November, December, and it is cold. So this pillow is from Etsy. I love it. It's got these cute little eyes on it, and y'all know I'm into makeup. Even if you don't know, now you know. So I had to get that. Come over here, and I have my curtains. These curtains are from Kmart, and they are light resistant. So basically, if it's light outside and in the morning time, I don't get that light in because these curtains. So if a girl want to sleep, a girl can sleep. All right, and then over here I have a sign that says blessed, because you know I'm always blessed and happy to be blessed by the Lord. And over here I have this cute little shelf. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond, and this little plant is from Target. It's cute. It just makes a nice little accent to the shelf. And I have a little sign back here that says I can do everything through Christ who gives me strength. And I have these LED lights. These are from Amazon as well. I just want y'all to see this real quick. I just hit this button and they go off and on, so it's really lit. I'll show y'all what everything looks like when the lights are off. But this lamp is just so nice for the room. I love it. I keep a little trash can right there. And you come over here. I have this regular mirror over here. It was $10. Definitely go get you guys one. They have this at Target, Kmart, anywhere. They have these mirrors. It just has a gold accent on it, and you can definitely find them there. Over here, I have the chair that the university gives you. I personally got another chair because it's just hard, and when I'm doing my schoolwork, I do not want to sit on a hard chair. So I left it right here, and people come in my room, they can sit there. It comes, I bought this little pillow that goes with it. And right here I have these, and these are surprisingly command hooks, so it's really pretty, glamorous. It gives you that really nice touch, and you would not think that these were command hooks, but they are. So that's the crazy part about it. And I just leave like my 2 clutches here. That's not where I leave my purses, but this just kind of gives it that glamour look of the whole room. Now over here I have my closet, and you're probably gonna be like, where did you get these curtains from? Just know that the middle curtain came from Amazon. And you can just look up glitter curtains, you know, hanging curtains, and that will pop up. They have gold, silver, blue, anything you want, pink. And these are 2 regular panels from Kmart, and they're like this satin material. You can kind of see it like that. Very pretty. And I put those 2 on the sides and this one in the middle because they were not long enough to cover my whole closet. So that's that. I don't like my clothes, you know, exposed. I just don't think it looks put together. So I have a curtain for my closet, and these are just my clothes. I keep my purses up here, and I keep my towels and my washcloths that I just washed up on the top. Over here is just one of those basic little bins where I put everything in there, my hygiene products, my straighteners, my blow dryers, and these are my top products that I use every day. So I got my lotion, I got my deodorant, just perfume, edge control. This is my jewelry box where I keep all my jewelry in. And coming over here, this is what I got a lot of requests. So like, how did I do it? What is it? These are granite countertops, and they are from Amazon. Now, you're like, how did you get this on this desk? They are contact paper. This is contact paper. So I took it, cut it, measured it to the table, and put it on here. And it just looks like you got your room done by someone. Like, you know, like home makeovers, whatever, anything. But it's really not. It's very simple, y'all. It's contact paper. You just put it right there. And that is my computer. So I just have this nice little dresser where I can pull it out. And as well as my chair. Now this chair is from Bed Bath & Beyond. And I was telling y'all earlier how I got this chair instead of this chair because my back, like, I be at this desk doing makeup, my homework, everything. So I have to have something that supports my back. I'm sorry, y'all. But this was about $30, and I'll try to link that below as well. This vanity mirror is from Amazon. It was about $100 something, but I believe it's very, very worth it because I was like, I want something to do my makeup on, but I don't have a vanity or anything. So what's the point of getting a big old vanity for school when I can just turn my desk into a vanity area as well? These makeup containers and organizers are as well from Amazon. Let me shut my light off. You might be able to see a little bit better. Let's see. Yeah. The lighting is not that good in here. But these are my makeup containers, and they are also from Amazon, and they just keep everything together. It's amazing. Like, all my makeup is in there and in other bins and everything. And I keep my brushes on the side. And this is just my magazine I keep here. Every issue is up here. The new ones are always up there. And over here I have my lamp. This lamp is as well from Amazon. Now the hard thing about this lamp is that it does not come this way. So I'm going to let you guys know that now. You have to individually put each one of those jewels on. And it's not hard, so definitely get it. It's a beautiful lamp. I love it. I have no problems with it. But if you look at the reviews, they're like, oh, I didn't want this lamp like this. I thought it was going to come all together. Not everything is going to be made for y'all. Like, come on, people. Like, you have to create some stuff. Put stuff together. Let's stop being lazy all the time. It's a beautiful lamp. Don't listen to those comments. I love that lamp. Haven't had any problems with it yet. So I'm going to go back to this granite because I have a lot of questions on this. But you can get this from Amazon. Just look up granite contact paper on Amazon and it'll come here for you. Now this desk, I used about 2 rolls of it. So 1 roll is not going to do you. I'm going to let you know that again. 1 roll will not cover this whole desk for you. And I still have a little bit left over, but it was just enough to cover this desk and my dresser over here. So let's go over this side now. Come over here, and this is my dresser. And I have my TV, little Samsung wireless TV. And I have just all this glitter glam stuff. Like, I just love it. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my Chanel thing going on over here. So I actually created this myself. And it is just a regular glass from the dollar store. Hold on, let me put the light on so y'all can really get a look at this. And so I have no questions because I want y'all to be slaying on a budget just like me. This glass is from the dollar store. I have the Chanel sign, paper copy, like from the internet, picked out a Chanel sign, glued it on, printed it out, glued it on, and got diamonds and ribbon from Michaels, slapped that on there, designed it any way you want. Like, not everything you see has to be exactly how you see it on the internet. So I just saw a few designs and I said, let me just do this design myself. If you guys want me to do a DIY on it, I can, but I'm telling you, print a design out, put it on a regular glass, doesn't have dollar store. I'm not playing with y'all. Jewels and ribbon from Michaels was probably the most expensive thing in here. These flowers, fake flowers from Amazon, simple and easy, very, very chic, in love with it. I have another one over here, in love with it, boom. Now over here I have my shoe rack. This shoe rack is from Amazon. I absolutely love this shoe rack because I can fit my sandals and my heels on there. Not everything, because y'all saw in the closet is where the mess comes out. So I don't want y'all to think that everything is just beautiful, okay? I got a little mess in my closet with the shoes, but this is what's going on here. That's all we got to worry about. And then over here, I just have a nice little setup for my mini fridge. And it's not that exciting in here. My fridge just contains waters and tea and stuff like that. Nothing too exciting. And then over here I have just my candle and my lamp, and I have a tea maker right here. And I also want y'all to screenshot this or take a picture of it. This is probably the best linen spray I've ever used. I put this on my sheets and my clothes just when I'm done washing them, and it just gives a nice little smell. You don't even need too much. but I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it just smells so good. Just so, I feel like I'm at home. Got a little cup, Hello Lovely. White Barn candle, just nice and relaxing. And we are now back to my bed. And up here, you guys are probably wondering, what is this? What does she have going on over here? This right here is wallpaper. And I got this wallpaper from Target, and it has been my lifesaver because when I moved into this dorm, the walls had like sticky tacks all over it. It was just not cute at all. So I had to find ways to cover it. And I didn't want to get the wallpaper, but I was like, you know what? It might even make a pretty accent to it. But I did it and I love it. My New York pictures up here are also from Amazon. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, while I'm just going around my room again, a lot of the stuff that you buy and that you want, you can look up. I mean, Amazon has everything, and that's probably one of my best friends. But if you just have an idea of what you want your room to look like, you don't even have to spend a lot of money. Like, when I tell you I had this from last year in my dorm tour, the TV is the same. The Chanel cup over here was just a small little DIY from the dollar store. And when you have a vision and you have what you want your room to look like, it becomes easier to create and design your room, you know? Not everyone's room is going to look the same, but when you have that idea of what you want, it's easier and it's cheaper. The last thing I wanted to show you guys is my room at night. So I'm just going to turn this TV on for y'all real quick because that's the only way this pretty little sign works right here. So basically at night I just get this nice, calm, sexy vibe. Just I chill in here, I do my work, I do what I have to do. And the main reason people might say, oh, she's bougie, oh, she's this, oh, she's that, that's fine because I'm bougie, but I'm getting my work done and I feel at home, you know. And it's just so nice to have a room that's comfortable for you. Some people might not want all this in their room. You don't have to have all this in your room, but I got a lot of requests for how I did things and how I made it look like this, and this is just what it is. So without further ado, I hope and pray that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me guys show you one more time at night. This is like night time. This is when I'm going to sleep and about to just sit back and relax. And without further ado, I'm going to end this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think I'm gonna make another dorm tour soon. I just want this one up. So you guys been asking for this for a long time, and I felt bad. And I don't have my camera, so I'm like, that's why I've been procrastinating on it, because I just want the best quality, you know, the best video I can get for y'all to see everything. But I hope I answered a lot of the questions I had about how I did things, and I really just wanted you guys to get a full view, you know, of my whole room. You know, I put it on Instagram, I put it on Snapchat, but you don't really get the full view of the room. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will try my best to link everything below, but you can always comment, like, and subscribe. And when you leave your comment, make sure on this video you ask me questions. When I was shopping, I just got everything, and you know, I don't really know exactly where everything is, but I will do that extra part. If you have something that you saw in my video that you want or you liked and I didn't put it down in the description, I will make sure that I find that and respond to your comment with that link below. I'm always here to help you guys, not here to show anything off. I just want you guys to know that this is what I do in my room, and I hope that I answered all your questions. I hope you guys are having a great year at your universities, your schools, your colleges, whether that's a university or community college, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.